It's impossible to say definitively what women want, as individuals have diverse desires and preferences. However, some common themes often emerge. Respect. Women value being treated with respect, kindness, and consideration. This includes active listening, valuing their opinions, and acknowledging their feelings. Equality. Many women desire equality in relationships and society, free from gender stereotypes and discrimination. Honesty and communication. Open and honest communication is crucial for building trust and intimacy in relationships. Support and encouragement. Women appreciate partners who support their goals and dreams, both personally and professionally. Affection and intimacy. Emotional and physical intimacy are important aspects of many fulfilling relationships. Ultimately, the best way to understand what a specific woman wants is to communicate openly with her, listen attentively, and prioritize her needs and desires.